All right, well, it's super nice out today. We're gonna open the garage. I'm gonna move around that car, back that car, up, pull the white car out. In here, we have a spare 12 valve that we're gonna then throw in there. Thankfully, that motor mount's already on there. I forgot about that. This guy's getting rebuilt because, wouldn't you know, cylinder number 5 has clearly left a chat. So, melted that not too long ago. But anyways, we're gonna get this motor put into that red car because that's what's gonna get delivered this weekend. Already stripped it for what it's worth, and yeah, there we go. So this old girl's running E85, doesn't really like to start. Oh, that's right. And I left the computer plugged in, the old Lenovo on the seat there, and it killed the battery. So you might not want to start first go. Give her the old Ripper McGoo here. Batteries are obviously super secure, because if you don't have super secure cut bracket battery mount, then you ain't doing it right. It's also good to note that this thing is quite loud. Fluids look good. Yep, good enough. It's 8 something in the morning, so should be okay with it. Where are the keys? Where the keys be at? Stand by here. I found them. Right here. Anyways, I don't know. We'll see if she wants to start here. It really doesn't like the cold.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
There she is. That's no throttle tension, and it idles real low. I mean, like crazy low, but I don't know. And it also sounds like it's missing, but whatever. It always makes me so nervous pulling this thing out of the garage because it's so freaking loud, and the people just really don't like it this early in the morning. But it's out, made it out. Now start the pushing around. Gonna get the old garage sweeped out, sweeping the world away. Man, again on these floor units, these things rule. Any extra dirt you miss just goes right in the holes, baby. And it keeps my garage remotely close to level. So, there we go. So this is the fun part. Made this nice custom engine stand out of a Harbor Freight unit here, where you just take that and it sits there the right way. Yeah. So we're gonna yank it out of here, see what it looks like. It's been a long time since this has been out of here. I gotta say, that motor mount setup thing I got going on here is pretty legit. All right. Okay, so a little bit more of this. We're gonna have to pull it up onto the ramp, onto the wood ramp, and then we gotta get the transmission out the backyard and get it prepped to go in. So, Harbor Freight engine stand. For sure for the win. Oh, last time I did this, I dropped a motor. So our goal is to not do that again. Oh, geez. Oh, boy. Every time I move one of these things, it's just such a task. It's just so freaking heavy, dude. All right, spin it around. Get it situated. Okay. That's that there. What do you think? Huh? No? What about you?
The Conservation Fund Go Zero program.
So you plug in a Jetta wagon, towing a Geo Metro.
And improve the environment.
We see if it lets us do it. Will this work? We're gonna just book it. Oh, that lens is dirty. Got the U-Haul reserved, gonna pick it up tonight. And so in the meantime, you gotta piece it together. Get the transmission out the yard, put the subframe in, slap that motor in, be good to go. Insert time lapse. Here. Look at that. Pinpoint accuracy, boys. Pinpoint accuracy. She is almost in there. We're on our way to the U-Haul. I'm hoping that they just let me take the trailer. If I absolutely have to, I use a truck, but I'm not a big truck guy. This car identifies as a truck, so. Okay, boys. Well, they gave me the trailer. We're good here. 55 miles an hour. He also identifies as a 1500. We were talking. And he just pulled a Dodge with that minivan on that trailer, so we're pretty dialed in here. I mean, my lights work, which is pretty great. So we did wire them correctly. And now we just got to get the old tow dollar home, and there we go. We're good to go. We're cruising, boys. Cruising. Pack up shop, throw a wiring harness in the back, and TDI wagon is gonna pull GTI wagon 2 hours north tomorrow. Pretty stoked. Happy to have it together. Happy the guy who's buying it's gonna be happy, and everybody's happy. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Hopefully we make it up there and make it back safe. Thanks for watching. Stay sketchy. Wear your seatbelts, and catch you on the next one.